Solve 3/5 m squared minus 1/2 is equal to 3/4 m. I see that we have a quadratic equation in terms of m here, since I see the term with the m square and the term with m. I'll put it in a more standard form first by subtracting 3/4 m from both sides and writing the equation, the left-hand side of the equation, in descending order. So I have 3/5 m squared minus 3/4 m minus 1/2 is equal to 0. And so I have the quadratic equation here, and it's in that quote-unquote standard form. I could, at this point, I could apply the quadratic formula with a equal to 3/5, b equal to negative 3/4, and c equal to negative 1/2. And it'll work. It'll give me the solution, but I'm going to have to do a lot of arithmetic with fractions. So instead, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to clear the equation of fractions by multiplying through both sides of the equation by the LCD. So instead, let's multiply through the equation by 20. So I'm multiplying through by the LCD, least common denominator, which is 20. So then I have 20 times 3/5 m squared minus 20 times 3/4 m minus 20 times 1/2 is equal to 20 times 0. And now simplifying this, 20 times 3/5 is 20 times 3 is 60. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So 12m squared. Minus 20 times 3 is 60. 60 divided by 4 is 15. Minus 15m. And 20 times 1/2 is 10. So minus 10. And the right-hand side, 20 times 0 is 0. So now I'll apply the quadratic formula. I'll abbreviate that QF here. Apply the quadratic formula with a equal to 12, b equal to negative 15, and c equal to negative 10. Then m is equal to the opposite of negative 15, plus or minus the square root of negative 15 squared minus 4 by 12 by negative 10 over 2 by 12. And we go through the arithmetic now. So then m is equal to 15 plus or minus the square root, 225 minus 4 times 12 times 10, that would be plus 480, over 2 times 12 is 24. Continue the simplification. M is equal to 15 plus or minus the square root. Let's see, 225 plus 480 is 705 over 24. Now we could try to simplify that radical further if we wanted to, but this is hopefully an acceptable expression, an acceptable form of the solution. And so what this tells me then is that there are two values for m. M is equal to 15 minus the square root of 705 over 24, or m is equal to 15 plus the square root of 705 over 24.